Hey, it's Kate with WTI. This is my favorite conditioner. I actually just washed my hair and I used it in the ends of my hair. This is Kristin Ess, the One conditioner. It pairs so nicely with the One shampoo, which is my favorite shampoo. And that shampoo is very conditioning. So what's great about the conditioner is that then you don't need to use a whole lot. So I just use a little bit in the ends of my hair and it leaves my hair feeling so silky and totally conditioned, and the ends of my hair are lightened so they can especially get dry. So I really need a good conditioner that's going to help renew that moisture. And what I love about this conditioner is that it's not too heavy. Sometimes a conditioner can feel really weighted in my hair even after I rinse it out, but that's not the case with this one. My hair feels nice and light and healthy. The size is super convenient, and so is the little pump. I'll show you a little bit of the conditioner so you can see how nice and thick it is. And the smell is just so light but so luxurious. I love too that it's paraben and sulfite-free. Has a really nice light fragrance that's just super pleasant. It's not overpowering and it feels like a luxurious conditioner. So it's my favorite. It's my go-to. I love it, but that's just my point of view.